Alright, so receptacle time real quick. This wood is just completely destroyed. My phone, I don't know why it wanted to cut off. But receptacle time. I just put the MC to the side because it was hot. This is the last one for today. We can't really see shit. Oh! Oh my goodness. Let's see what the receptacle does. Still turning. Sparking a little bit. I'm not sure what this receptacle is going to do. We could put it in for another minute 30. We're going to let it run its course. I think wood isn't the best idea to put in there. Boy. Not exactly sure. Oh, that's part of the receptacle you're seeing. That's fucking cool. Nice little O effect. We're gonna get right to the point of this one because, like I said, our phone's about to die once it hits. Oh. Oh, we're cut. We're dead. We tripped a breaker? Let's unplug it. Oh, God. I think microwave is finally done for. Did something with it. Woo! That might be it. Might be all she wrote. Oh my goodness. It's cut on. Light. Got no power. All. In here, I think all that. Yeah, we melted through that. Oh, I think the microwave might have finally got messed up. Shit. Might have finally bit the dust. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Now I gotta get a new $50 microwave. Oh, we can just fix it. Let's see what the problem is. Plug it back in, see what happens. Well, I think that bit the dust on the receptacle, boys. Well, get a new microwave eventually. Alright, you guys. Stay safe out there.